This is Margaret. She's a first responder for Direct Line. She tells Ian to use Clipfix before she sends out a plumber, which he duly does. Ian downloads the app and Roger helps him fix his little bathroom leak instantly. As time ticks by, Margaret helps thousands of people with their home emergencies by using Clipfix. The company directors were unbelievably happy with Clipfix. They had reduced the amount of fraud, had a digital trail of each claim, but above all, had saved time and lots of money.